This is a real quick video. I just wanted to say thank you, a sincere thank you to Epson, Epson Canada, Epson America. I was having a glitch with my much beloved and previously well recommended ES-200. I made a video last week. I tweeted it at Epson Canada. They got back to me same day. They tried to phone me. They had an old number on file from the phone I had when I bought the Epson a few years ago. They emailed me. I was talking to a tech the next day and had a replacement unit the day after that. And the replacement unit solved the problem. The glitch wasn't a problem in general with the ES-200. It was a unit problem with the unit that I had. So again, well-oiled machine, really took care of me. I just want to say thank you. And we're going through obviously a lot of difficult times in the world right now. The gentleman I was talking to, Tony, the support tech, was working remotely from his home, and still they managed to take care of me quickly and efficiently. So guys, thank you very much. Just makes me feel great. You've not only got a great product, but you've got a great support team as well. And I think that's as or perhaps even more important. Thanks again.